Hello everyone, I am playing Fireworks Mania. This is the remake to the last one, which if you've seen that video, then you'll know it didn't go too well. And I'm doing this on Christmas Day, so I'm a little bit of a rush. Other than that, we're just going to be playing around with fireworks, because if you've looked at the title of the video, then you'll know what we're gonna do. And just this in general. So this is Fireworks Mania, an explosive simulator, and we're just going to choose our thing. We have town, ranch, flat, and city. I like town because I don't like big cities at all, basically. Geez, you're already a minute in. Alright, so basically, how you play the game is, you just, tab is where you get your fireworks. Here, we have all the mods, the stuff you can get off the workshop. Sorry, my game's in Danish. Right, so, it's, I don't have any mods installed right now, but there's also blueprints, which is basically you make your own stuff. But, here's a hint for, something very special. It's gonna be right here. See my cursor? Yeah, you see it. Anyways, basically, there's all these different things. You get rockets, cakes, fireworks, smoke, novelties, tubes, and fountains, and also props like crates and stuff. And we got I'll just show you on these. So, if you right click or left click, it just doesn't go anywhere. But if you right click, then it does that. And if you press Q, you get all these. And if you press E and drag with your mouse, then you can that and stuff. And just all you have to do is hold left click, fire goes up, boom. And on the ground, just demonstrate that. So it's really just kind of like place and light. But if you want a bunch of these, just have a couple. Put some of these to demonstrate. There's a fuse. Oh, okay. Oh, there's a fuse connection. You can do it like that, and then you get your ignite tool, and it's almost like TNT. So it just does that, and you can do it from these two. So it's really a really simple system. And if you do a ton of these, we'll just soon to be something. Alright, now that we have these, let's just go. Goodbye. Goodbye, game. Oh my gosh! That actually kind of scared me. So anyways, there's a little tutorial for the game. Oh, you know what I should do? Simply get a rocket. Point it at that. Alright, goodbye game. Goodbye. Wait, how's there snow up here? Woo! Wow. Oh, so yeah, that's it. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you at the state. And by that, I mean tomorrow. Or maybe today. I don't know. Anyways, bye.